Let me show you how to insert an SD card into a Samsung Galaxy A07. One, you need a SIM card tray ejector, and then the SD card itself. Okay, those are two things that you need. Then watch the video until the end. So get the A07. There's a hole on the SIM card tray part, so you push in the SIM card tray ejector till when the SIM tray pops out. Okay, now remove the SIM card tray ejector. Then now pull out the SIM card tray gently. Okay, there it is, as you can see. Now get the SD card. Make sure you put it in a very proper orientation as shown in this video, just like this. You see that I've just placed it very neatly and smart. So now get the Samsung Galaxy A07. Get the SIM card tray with the SD card on. Push it gently back into the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure this SD card doesn't drop off. Push it. Now head back to the A07 to prove that the SD card is now there. Go to the My Files. You can actually see the SD card is right here and it's showing. And that's how you insert an SD card in a Samsung Galaxy A07.